In December 1983, scientists at the IRAS Space Observatory made headlines when they announced that they had used an infrared satellite to detect an unknown object, possibly as large as the giant planet Jupiter, and possibly so close to Earth that it would be part of this solar system. This mystery in space had been detected twice in 6 months, near the constellation Orion, and it was described by IRAS as being so cold that it cast no light, which explained why they hadn't seen the object before with optical telescopes on Earth or in space. IRAS reported that the object appeared to be moving towards Earth. With the discovery of the unknown object, it seemed conceivable that the search for the elusive Planet X was finally over. Dr. Ray T. Reynolds of the Ames Research Center in California reported that other astronomers are so sure of the 10th planet, they think there's nothing left but to name it. But just 4 years later, in 1987, NASA announced that its 2 Pioneer spacecrafts, which had explored beyond the known planets since 1972, had failed to find any evidence to support speculation that Planet X is out there. So what had happened to this unknown object the size of Jupiter? Could it have been Planet X, and if so, are NASA hiding it? Evidence for Planet X has been observed in the skies for centuries. Even before the discovery of Neptune in 1846, astronomers believed there were 2 giant planets in our solar system yet to be discovered. In 1834, astronomer Peter Andreas Hansen was confident that a single planet alone could not explain the seemingly erratic motion of Uranus's orbit. Celestial mathematician Urbain Le Verrier was able to use observations of Uranus's orbit to accurately calculate the position of the previously unknown Neptune, without even using a telescope. But when Neptune was discovered, it was deemed too small to be the only planet affecting Uranus's orbit, and even Neptune's orbit appeared to be affected by a stronger gravitational force on the edge of our solar system. After the discovery of Neptune, the hunt for Planet X heightened. In 1911, Indian astronomer Venkatesh P. Ketakar hypothesized the position of 2 unknown planets further than Neptune, one of which was later discovered to be Pluto. But the existence of the second planet has never been confirmed. Could it be possible that for hundreds of years scientists have known the position of Planet X, but hadn't been able to observe it because it was too dark to be seen by the naked eye? Was this what IRAS had detected? While it is predicted that Planet X sits on the edge of our solar system, the implications of its existence are much closer to home. In 1984, physicist Richard A. Muller used fossil records to postulate that mass extinctions were not random, but occurred regularly every 26 million years. He suggested that every 26 million years an external force such as a large planet passes through the Oort cloud, a source of comets at the edge of our solar system. According to Muller, this causes the comets to crash violently to Earth, leading to death and destruction. This theory was made less than a year after IRAS spotted their unknown object. Is it possible that the government decided to cover up the existence of Planet X to hide the knowledge that they had found the planet that would end humanity? Despite NASA's